Just a quick little video on my dragon fruit. These are a red dragon fruit. They're very good around the tropical area, the subtropical area that I grow in and live in. As you can see, there's some shoots down the bottom and that, and I'm growing them along the fence. But as for propagating and growing more of this particular variety and more of this particular plant, they're very, very simple to grow and very, very easy to grow. They obviously get disease in them, which doesn't seem to affect productivity very much. But basically, if you take a segment or two, depending on how big it is, like say this one here, if I chop that off, that's probably a foot and a half long. If I chop that off, I can just basically chop it here, and you just jam it in some sandy sort of soil, and away it goes. This is what I mean by easy to grow. I've propagated every single one of these in the last sort of 2 or 3 months, and you can see some of them are growing better than others. Some of them are younger. So these ones that are only just starting to really get going have only just been planted. Ignore the weeds. That's just me being lazy. As you can see, I've got probably 10 or 12 here that I sell on and give to other people and utilise for swaps and trades and whatnot. But as I said, they pretty much grow anywhere. They grow mad. This is another red one that I've planted. There's only 2 here, but they get a little bit of sunlight and a bit of water, and they get fertilised maybe once a year, and they produce a fair few fruit, so it's well and truly worth it. Eventually I will get more, and eventually when the new fence goes through, I will put a mesh on the inside of the fence and grow up the fence, because I like utilising as much space as I possibly can use in my gardens.